Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We're going to do a quick 3-color ombre. That color is by C-Tones. It's called formerly known as, and it is a mood changing color. And this blue is called Lagoon. It has a very subtle shimmer to it. It's very pretty. I wish the camera did it justice. And then this last color, my monomer was dirty. This last color is called Shoreline, and it's a pastel yellow that also has a subtle shimmer to it. And you can find all these colors on nailsbymikkie.com. So here's a repeat of what I just did. I just switched around the order of the colors. So I started with Blue Lagoon this time. And sometimes it's fun to experiment with different colors when it comes to ombre. That way you know which colors blend better together. So for our last 3-color ombre, we're going to switch it up a little bit. So I'm going to use 2 different color yellows. And this yellow is called Sunburn. It is a sheer yellow. Also available on nailsbymikkie.com. And as you can see, my monomer is still dirty. So I'm going to go in with this blue. And you don't want to do a lot of blending. Just a little bit. So when I was done with these ombre swatches, I did do a little bit of 3D acrylic on top of them. So unfortunately, I didn't get a picture first. But in my next video, you will see how I accomplished these flowers. So like and subscribe. See y'all later.